ay. Ayan, kaya ka nasasaktan.
I'm gonna get a Frappuccino, but I'm not used to Starbucks because I'm from Canada, so I'm used to Tim Hortons, and I get a French vanilla.
Yes, what's poppin'? What's good? What it is here? What is that? What are you getting?
I'm just gonna have some tea.
Tinola?
Tea.
Tigang! Wow! That's very Therese.
Because I'm tea. Therese Tiango.
First time lang namin Starbucks kasi madalas kami inuman.
Yeah, like what is this?
With her French boyfriend. Ex-boyfriend. Sorry.
Huwag na pag-usapan yun.
Okay, wag na yun.
Baka makagat ang dila.
Ayan.
May iba.
Dito yun. Oo. Ang name na gusto mong ilagay sa Titi? Titi na lang po.
Wifey.
Titi na lang po, wag na po yung pansinin yan. Maarte po kasi po kasama.
Wifey, kasi I'm gonna be a wife soon. I'm manifesting. Kaya, you see, I have a ring here.
Parang di nasutuwa sa atin siya
No, look,
sa'yo.
I have a ring here. Hindi lang siya kasya sa aking engagement ring. But it's to manifest that I'm gonna get engaged soon. Yun ang nakita ko. If you wanna manifest that you're gonna get married,
Daming mga sinasabi na...
engagement ring. I got this from Niagara Falls in Canada.
Napaka-arte mo. Visit ka. Di ba Ate Cham inis siya? Ay, hindi te, sumagot ka muna. Correct.
6.5 lang yata ang naman yung joke lang.
May credit limit siya na 600 pesos.
Oh, yeah. But then in Canada, it's so expensive. Because you're gonna eat, and then example, it would say like $20, which is like 800 pesos. But that does not include tax. And tax is like 13%.
Wow!
And then afterwards,
Yeah.
you have to tip 20%. If you
Oh
tip less
my
than 20%,
gosh.
you're gonna be frowned upon. So it's gonna be like $20 plus 33%. So it's really
Maka-arte mo, tumigil ka na, hindi ka naman ganyan kaano. Sobrang arte mo, pero pag nag-story time ng horror,
Tagalog,
siya
Tagalog.
ang pinatay.
Oh, thank you.
Si Jason
That's so
ang
nice. I hope to find them that. Thank you.
paka-arte mo, visit mo.
What, honestly, going back to the Philippines, it was a struggle.
Ang arte mo, te, huwag ka maging ganyan. Here.
Let's hear what you have to say.
Yes, because, wow, what's in your bag with the Celine Dion? Oh my God.
We have a wallet
Bro, Bangkok.
with free holes
From Chat to Jack.
with Buddha. And what do we have? Oh, this is from Muji Teeth Wipes.
Wow, ayan,
Yeah, from
teeth wipes.
Japan.
Wow, from
And
Japan.
then we have hairpin
Hairpin from 19th century.
and hair tie.
Yes, para siyang
That's all.
parang kakring For a Nepo baby, right?
No, I'm still a rag. Richest rags. Because when you're naturally born as a Nepo baby,
Wow.
just kidding, you can't afford.
Social climber.
Pretend you're a Nepo baby but you got no money.
Oh, wow. Because you have the face card. You have a face card. Ayun, oo. May something yung kilikili.
Oh, ba't na kayo nasa Pilipinas mo? Uy, ang social ng amoy.
Anong amoy putok?
It's giving expensive and classy.
Totoo nga, may
Hindi, maganda siya.
may
Niyayabang mo lang, amoy ng